What's up, son? We are shaking up this orange soda can in Western Family. We are going to shake it up and then hit it with a golf club as hard as we can. This is going to be intense. Hit that shit. Oh!
Oh shit, dude, we got the entire top.
Bam. Show that to me. Show that to them, Nick. No, they'll spin it around and everything. The top, too. Damn. Top just blew off.
Look at that, just... Dude, we're back.
Where is it? Did you find it? Oh my god. And here is the top.
Didn't even open.
Bam. Goodbye.
Wait.
Bam. Goodbye.